Going to get some rosemary. It's a long walk. A lot of people think gardens are kind of done this time of year, but you know, I need to make a brine for my turkey for Christmas week. So I'm going to take this path that my son's been stomping down because he hangs out in our shed. I'm going to go on a long trek to get some rosemary.
And maybe some veg for a turkey pot pie.
So here we are. At least I don't have to really dig this out. I just need to put me some of it. So give me some of this rosemary. It's definitely worth walking in the snow for.
There's some sage poking out of the snow.
Yeah, sage would be good. I'm going to use this to flavor the brine, guys. Herbs are important when you want that holiday flavor. I wonder what it looks like underneath. Nice purple sage. I'm going to dig up some carrots. You know, I love digging carrots up this time of year. We leave them in the ground because when they freeze, they create vegetable sucrose to keep it from freezing when the greens freeze. They're just so much denser and sweeter. I'm gonna dig
Hey, turn towards me. What's that? You look like Chef Cesare Casella.
Yeah.
That's his
If
trademark.
I had a pocket here, no, this would be more like Cesare right here. That's like Cesare, this awesome Italian chef who uses rosemary as a pocket square. It always smells so good.
Notice how long I have to dig just to get a half a dozen freaking carrots for pot pie.
Some yellows, a couple of oranges. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Discovery happens year-round in a garden.
So, as I learned long ago, the sweetness of these carrots is going to be fantastic, so it's worth it.
What about some sunchokes?
Oh, what a good idea. I think that's enough for now. I like the idea of sunchokes. These are going to be delicious. These things get like, 10 feet tall.
In the fall, this is a 10-foot wall of green.
Look at that. Beautiful. You know, the crazy thing about sunchokes, they're indigenous to North America, and they just keep coming back again and again. You just can't, there's no way you can eradicate these. Once they find a place that they like and they start growing, you've got a perpetual food supply. Oh, that's not sunchoke.
A Connecticut potato, they call them.
Yeah, Connecticut potato, that is what they call them. You know, the funny thing about harvesting in the winter is you work a little bit harder, but the rewards, the sweetness of the things that actually survive. It's like survival has a flavor, you know, and it shows up here. So, yeah, my hands are getting a little cold, my feet are cold, you know, but my turkey pot pie is going to be freaking delicious.